Hi, welcome to Slay the Spider. I'm Jim B, and I'm the creator and host of Slay the Spider. Shares of the S&P 500 are called S&P Depository Receipts, SPDRs. Spiders. Slay the Spider means I intend to beat the S&P 500 quite substantially. For the week ending July 8th, 2022, the markets were up, but most sectors didn't move too much. In healthcare, biomedical and healthcare advanced and crossed to the bull side. Drugs also advanced. In media communications, internet advanced, media and telephones were unchanged. In technology, semiconductors advanced, software, computers, and electronics also advanced. In consumer discretionary stocks on the bull side, gaming declined, retail advanced, restaurants and leisure also advanced. On the bear side, autos and household products advanced. In the financials, insurance and savings and loans advanced. Banks, finance, real estate, and Wall Street were unchanged. In the industrials, aero defense, building products, machinery tools, and waste management advanced. Chemicals were unchanged. Metals and steel declined. In the others group, on the bull side, textiles were unchanged and protection and safety advanced. On the bear side, business products, forest products, and food advanced. Transports, oil and oil services, electric utilities and gas utilities, and precious metals all declined. For the week ending July 8th, there were 7 sectors unchanged, 24 sectors advanced, 9 sectors declined, 2 sectors crossed from the bear side to the bull side. There's now 10 on the bull side and 30 on the bear side. For the week ending July 8th, 2022, the S&P 500 closed at 38.99, up 74 or 1.94%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 31,338, up 241 points, or 3/4 of a point percent. Nasdaq closed at 11,635, up 507 or 4.5%. This week, 136 stocks moved from sell signals to buy signals. There were 4 fewer listings. We now have 26% of stocks on buy signals and 74% on sell signals. Overall, the market score last week was 28. This week it's 32. For the first 27 weeks of 2022, the S&P 500 is down 18.19%, Nasdaq is down 25.72%, and energy is the best performing sector, up 27.84% for the year. For the first 27 weeks of 2022, healthcare is down 7.5%, media communications is down 27%, technology is down 23.62%, consumer discretionary stocks are the worst performing sector, down 28.41%, finance stocks are down 17.8% for the year, the industrials have lost 16.92%, real estate's down 20.05%, and basic materials are down 19.41%. For the past week, the S&P 500 was up 1.9% and Nasdaq was up 4.8%. Energy was down 2.3%, was the worst performing sector for the week. Healthcare is was up 0.8%. Media communications were up 3.4%. Technology was up 4.3%, second best. Consumer discretionary stocks were the best performing sector, up 4.5%. Finance stocks were up a paltry 0.6%. The industrials were down 2.2%. Real estate was down 0.9%, and basic materials were down 1.5%. For the week ending July 8th, 10-year Treasury bond yields ended at 3.101%. We started the year at 1.517%, so it's right at the doubling point. For the week ending July 8th, West Texas Intermediate crude oil closed at 104.67. Wholesale gasoline, RBOB, closed at $3.45 a gallon. Now, below is a graph of crude oil and wholesale gasoline prices since the inaugural of Joe Biden on January 20th, 2021. West Texas crude was $52.20, and wholesale gas $1.57 a gallon. The Russia-Ukraine war, the invasion, began on February 24th, 2022, and closed the day before the war began. WTI was $95.72. It had already gone up 83% under the Biden administration. This week, West Texas Intermediate closed at 104.67. It's up 9% since the start of the war. Wholesale gasoline at the start of the war was $2.73. It had already gone up 74%. Now it's at $3.45 a gallon, up an additional 26% since the start of the Ukraine war. It does not appear to me that Putin is the main problem, nor the primary cause for the majority of the U.S. energy price hikes. You be the judge as to whether your news source or political leader is being truthful about who's at fault. How can you possibly expect the problem to be resolved if they're failing to recognize and address the correct reason the problem even exists? If media and political leaders can't acknowledge the truth, then change the channel or vote differently if you're expecting real solutions to materialize. Subscriptions are available for $12 a month on an annual contract or $15 a month on a month-to-month contract. I've been producing the Slay the Spider Circle since 1998 and using it to manage private client assets. I've been nearly completely out of stocks for the past year. My portfolio performance is now well ahead of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ indices since I went into cash. That's the total idea behind Slay the Spider. Outperform the indexes in both up and down markets. Now is an excellent example of cash beating the market substantially. I'm looking forward to buying many of the stocks I owned previously at prices well below what I sold them for last year. I will then own more shares going forward, in some cases twice as many. Sure, there were a few stocks I wish I had kept, but in total, I'm more than happy avoiding this bear